Ini mana nomination file kan unjuk ne, ya banggar rangko, dengan mana cusok ada, nomination file kan unjuk, bisa kau yang player nama ini waktu unjuk, tupai cakap cakap, itu macam ni. Amaknya, ajak kita.
Hadirin kejing syasyo MLA Barem Kapulbari Esmatur Mominin Hapalau Office Deputy Commissioner Hatura ke Sorkar jela ke Shim senjam ki betenge man Pynneh ke Shong Suk Shong San habar gowi ke Than Rilum Garo habakran bo Commissioner but Secretary ke Sorkar jela ba CVD dengdo ule pentit ke Sorkar ke Bthah ya baro ki Deputy Commissioner jang ke Rilum Garo kentup ya Deputy Commissioner Hatura banlum kerke iktis committee kenang banten ke Jingkulmar ke Sorkar kelai hukum syabaro ke Superintendent ki pulit ban Tehlakam ke Jinglong Jingman bat ban Pynneh akan klaim kan no ke Jingma da ke bakadau bagi Director General ki pulit ke jelag ladak pan petngor bagi tanat pulit ke lapha syosyo yagi bor pahara Rilum Garo halor ke jing syasyo ukertong ke Sorkar ke Bthah ban tokit bunia akan gamat hadin balayo eka kaipot na Deputy Commissioner wat lak ladon ke jingjau ba CVD dengdo ulah pensyai bagi Sorkar kamdon kan no ke jing temu ban penjelan ke tarik ban penlong election Kesengi bekado ban thep kerteng ki kertong kendai ka kanre trek uleber hado ke porlai baje janmir. Ulang ru bakamat ke bedai bakajing pan ST certificate mani olong kertong kadang don hapok kajing bishar jong yang syari high court. Bak Sorkar kadang at ekarai jong yang syari halor kani. La ban kedau hang ni bah ke kendai trek uleber ar hajar ar pun real kesengi basedang kajing thep kerteng jong ki kertong. Na kebentak election caka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council UMLA Barem Kapulbari Esmatur Mominen ulas asyo aki kenuhan ki bamla ban itu hak pelau office Deputy Commissioner Hatura Mominen bad uway pad ukertong inamul hak ilapoi step hak office Deputy Commissioner ban kerteng di kertong konsen ban ke kubor ke sakriang ba ki kenuhan jingnong persya ki lawan ke jakan kala ki dong kubor pahara ki kenuhan ke yo ban kubor asyo aki di kertong di kulit lalat ban kulit yang di kertong bad ra aki Hatura Civil Hospital ban yo aki jisuma.
We've also looked at the force requirements and SPs have asked for a little more force. So accordingly, we will be making those projections. DGP also is appraised of the matter and more forces will be sent. I think you are aware that one of the candidates went to file the nomination. Person went at about 10 a.m. or something and the person was prevented from filing the nomination. So this is what has happened, and then this report the DC gave us. We have asked the DC to give us a detailed report as to what exactly transpired. There were some reports, yes. It is under the adjudication of the Honourable High Court. This matter has been taken up in the Honourable High Court, so we are awaiting that decision.
Will you be giving more dates for the filing nomination today?
So today was the first day. The notification, as you know, has come out today. As per the notification, today is the first day of filing nominations, that is between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. And the last date of filing nomination is 16th of March, that is next Monday, till 3 p.m.